Looking for a fun Martin Luther King Jr. Day art project that your elementary students will love? How about one with a freedom flag theme that'll turn your hallway bulletin board into a masterpiece? Sounds amazing, right? To create these thought-provoking freedom flags, your students can use a roll of dice game, a you-pick worksheet, or even digital spinners to choose their patterns. And the best part? No need for fancy supplies. All you need is drawing paper, markers, and a thin paintbrush. Love the idea, but short on time? No worries, I've got you covered. Sit back and relax while I teach your students how to play the roll of dice game as well as design their flag step by step. I'll share plenty of tips and tricks to make drawing, coloring, and painting a breeze. This Martin Luther King Jr. Day art project includes a step-by-step demonstration video for your students, a printable handout, perfect for substitute teachers, a PowerPoint that guides them through every step, and 2 engaging writing prompts to tie everything together. Be sure to click on the preview button to see everything included. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.